So who should be on the SOP review team? Great question. That depends on the kind of SOP it is and what it is. And I'm not trying to be nebulous at all. So it depends on what it is you're trying to achieve with the SOP. So here's the problem. When you have people on the review team who are already familiar with the SOP, they're going to be connecting the dots, right? So that's one aspect of it. And typically you don't want people who are going to be connecting the dots. You want people who are unfamiliar. So broadly, I would say that the SOP review team should be people who are unfamiliar with the process. The caveat to that is this, is that it's more than just reviewing. For an SOP to be effective, it has to be tested, right? You can't just read an SOP and go, oh yeah, it looks good. Got all the information in there. In most cases, I would say 99.9% of the time, it cannot be just a read through. It's not like a technical document. It's very, very different.